Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm putting on a different shirt today, and that means that today is going to be a different video. So a couple of days ago, I asked you guys if you would be interested in seeing my first WordPress website. And this website, I created it about 6 years ago now. And guess what? 91% of the people who voted actually want to see this website. And now this is the purpose why I'm making this video. Let's dive straight in. So about 6 years ago, I decided that I wanted to make up a website whereby I could help a couple of friends and other artisans in my community to sell their products online. But the question was, how will I be able to do that? First of all, I never had any knowledge on how to build websites, but the only knowledge I had was only in desktop publishing programs. And these are programs in the Adobe suite like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and a couple of other word processing programs. And here I am, and I wanted to build a website whereby I would list a couple of products for sale online. So since I also had some experience shopping on websites like Amazon or eBay, it kind of gave me the hope that I would be in position to do this. So I started off by going to the internet and I was searching how I can actually build a website whereby I can sell products, especially physical products. And then this is the time when I came across a website called WP Beginner. And through WP Beginner, I came to learn about a couple of things like web hosting, e-commerce websites, and WordPress. And before I knew, I was all over YouTube and I was watching videos about e-commerce websites and WordPress. And the person who actually encouraged me that I would be in position to do this was a person who was actually offering web hosting in my local community. So when I met him, I shared with him my idea and he told me WordPress is the way to go. And he actually told me that I will not need any knowledge or technical skills or any developer knowledge to build up this website. And that actually got me very excited. So I went back home and I decided to follow up a couple of tutorials online, especially on YouTube. And this is when I got a chance and I fell onto a tutorial was teaching how to actually build up an e-commerce website using Woo themes. So long story short, I started following up the tutorial. And of course, in the long run, there are so many other things that we have to learn. Things like web hosting, things like server space, things like SSLs, because by then you actually needed a dedicated IP to actually have an SSL on your website. And besides an SSL, you actually had also to have a payment gateway company that will enable you to process payments online. For example, like accepting card payments, and nowadays there are also mobile payments. So this was all the food that I have to eat on my plate. But little did I know that I actually had to do all that. Everything came in step by step after getting the domain and getting the hosting and then building the website, going out there, meeting the artisans, getting the products, taking the product pictures, product description, the prices, the weights. All that stuff didn't come just in one day. It was a procedure step. And before I knew it all, after a couple of months, the website was done. And now, without any further ado, let me take you straight and I show you how this website looked like then and how it looks like at the moment. And also at the end of this video, I also introduce people on how this website works like. This is the former layout, how the products look like, how people could add the products to the cart, and how they could actually order for the items on that website. And here is basically a specific video detailing on how these artisans were making these products by their hands. And after they have made them, we could simply have the products, weigh them. After weighing them, then we could take the product pictures. After taking the product pictures, write the product descriptions, and then later I'm having to list them on the website, add the pricing, add the shipping fees, the criteria, description, and all that stuff. And then we'll have the product ready for shipment to whoever has ordered it on the platform. So now let me show you the current layout for this website, which is actually using Elementor. This is how it looks like, the logo. And the logo you see here for this website is exactly the logo for this shirt. That's why I was saying, yes, it's actually a different shirt that I'm putting on today. And then we're having this kind of hero section over here. Here are the bestseller products. Here are some of the other products. So we basically had two product categories, the crafts and then the ceramics. So the ceramics are made out of clay and the crafts are made out of a couple of things like the wood carvings, like animal skin, and a lot more. These are the ceramics. And so far we have made hundreds of shipments all over the world in almost every continent, served hundreds of clients via this website, And mostly these are clients who came in and instead of buying one product, they wanted us to supply them with a couple of products. And down here, the testimonials, the process of actually ordering a product. And down here, there is some important information someone just needs to know once they come and visit this website. So if I take you to a single product, for example, maybe this one. So the product is listed over here. And of course, someone can view this product. All these pictures were taken by me, edited by me, and uploaded on this website by me. This is how it looks like. Product image. And right down here, it shows the number of those items that are in stock, the product description, and other related products over here. Let me just open up here, this giraffe. This is how it looks like. Product image. And maybe you as web designers would be interested in how I was taking these pictures. And you see down here is a cardboard, and in the background is actually a white sheet. So it's a white cloth basically. But for some product pictures, I basically had to make a light box, which I could put transparent papers both all in the sides, and then I light up everything from the sides, and then inside the light would be really diffused, and then I would take the pictures for that specific product in all sides. So that's how I used to take the pictures. And in case someone wanted to buy this item, of course, they would add to the cart or to the basket. They could either go here to view the cart, or basically they can view from here. So by going over here, you can say view basket. And right here, the client would add any number of items that they want, but it cannot exceed on the inventory that we entered in the WooCommerce settings. And right here, if someone has a coupon, they could apply the coupon. And in case they are shipping around any place here, of course, the shipping charges will be added. The shipping charges, of course, we add them in the WooCommerce settings. And here they can proceed to the checkout. And under the checkout, if they already have an account, they can sign into that account. If they are new or they are guests, they can simply just, feed in their information over here, and they are able to order. And boom, they are able to pay using either their MasterCard, Visa card, American Express, and even some mobile payment options. So in a nutshell, that's how my first WordPress website looked like and how it worked like. Of course, the layout changed from the layout we had in 2014 to the layout that it is having at the moment of recording this video. Unfortunately, I have to tell you that I had to close this website before end of last year because of some logistical issues. However, one thing I have to tell you is that if you're starting out in your web designing journey, please don't be overwhelmed by things. You can literally start from anywhere without any knowledge about the web, no design skills, and you can finally build up a website just like this or even better. So the best thing to do is basically to start from where you are with what you have, so that you can build what you want to have, and finally you'll have it done. Of course, there will be challenges, but of course the challenges make you stronger. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in case you have any questions, comments about this video, or in case you want to share your experience building your first WordPress website, please let us know in the comment box below, and I would really be interested in learning about your experience building your first WordPress website. And if you have built your first WordPress website by following one of my tutorials, please also let me know. I'll be happy and excited to read about that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time and goodbye.